Cladding Restoration London. Purple Rhino are an expert cladding cleaning and restoration company who have cleaned and restored more cladding than any other UK-based cladding cleaning and restoration company. We can restore faded and chalky cladding completely, restoring back to the original colour to your building in London. Learn more by visiting our London Cladding Cleaning and Restoration Services section on our website purple-rhino.co.uk. Our unique 3-step colour restoration will restore the colour to any cladding type in London without the need for costly repainting. Call the London Cladding Restoration hotline 0800 157 7484 for your free London Cladding Restoration brochure.